What not to do after completing your high ticket sales training program. Do not post your copy and paste templates. Do not copy and or post your certification of completion. Um, it's not attractive. It doesn't, and for the most part, it doesn't really serve you well. What you're going to do when you make these type of template posts and you post your certification, ultimately you're just letting people that you're just letting people know that you're completely new to the space. You're a complete newbie. Yeah, you're just new, and so for the most part, you're going to put a target on your back. You're going to attract unwanted attention, and so although like within the 30-day sales pro, like we teach people, like we do have our own framework and our own script, if you will. I'll call it a framework. We do have a framework to introduce yourselves in these high ticket Facebook groups and these other groups, right? But at the end of the day, like at least with our members, with our students, by then they will know how to vet and qualify a sales opportunity, how to differentiate like a good role versus a shitty role, or a scam, MLM, life insurance, whatever that looks like. They will already have been taught of what to look out for and how to properly vet and qualify. So if you don't know how to properly vet and qualify sales opportunities, when you put a post out there like that, yes, you're going to get people that are welcoming you to the space, but then you're going to get the people that are going to friend request you. They're going to get into your comments, DMs, and then they're going to pitch you, whether it's sales training, this, that, or the other thing with, or opportunities that are, let's just say, scams. And so if you don't know how to vet and qualify, you just put a big target on your back when you introduce yourself, when you, post your certificate of completion. You just attract the negative attention, and so I'm just trying to help prevent that from happening. So like if you think that's serving you well, typically, like more often than not, it's not going to. It doesn't serve you in a positive light. And again, you're just attracting a lot of unwanted attention from a lot of unwanted characters or shady characters that are in this space, that are literally trying to take advantage of someone that is completely new to high ticket sales. And ultimately, when you do that, that's the message that you are sending out there into the space. And so therefore you put a bullseye, you put a target on your back. So it's not something that I would recommend.